Hey guys, a very good evening. So guys, with another 15 set of questions, I am here. So I hope guys you are not getting bored with my wording. So I'm just providing you all the relevant stuff. So it has nothing to do my wording. So 116 question is on your screen. So please pause the video, then read the question first, analyze it. Don't try to do it in a hurry. So guys, this will improve your expertise, improve your hand on these MCQ type examinations. So once 117th question is on your screen. Okay guys, so you can see there are some circles around some questions. So this is just for my reference, it has nothing to do with the relevancy part. So please don't bother these circles at all. Okay guys, so this is something very pretty big question, so I will provide you in again a segregated manner. So first half in a few seconds, and second half will be in another seconds. Okay guys, so here you go. Okay, so 121st question is on your screen. So guys, as I am again mentioning here, so these are the most important questions, and these are the trendy questions which have been repeatedly asked in number of examinations. So please don't in my opinion, don't just avoid to miss this question, or just leave these questions. Try to at least solve whatever question I am providing you, in addition to whatever you are whatever you have already prepared, or whatever you are going to prepare. Okay guys, so that's 126th question. 27th. 128th. 129. And here is your last question guys. So that's all for today's video guys. If you have any question, doubt, suggestion, query, please message me that. Till then guys, take care. Bye bye.